Here's another project where we're using scraps of plywood to make something useful and multifunctional. Hello and welcome to today's project on the Woodworking channel. Thank you for taking time to stop by. Let's jump right into the video. As usual, I'll include dimensions in the video as I move along, but if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them as quickly as possible. Well, I got fascinated by this offcut. It looks really nice and I'm thinking about something I could do with it. But on to the project again. I know making a picture frame is one of the many beginner friendly projects that are easy to make, and so making the picture frame should be straightforward. The cuts are very simple. You can actually make the picture frame using butt joints instead of the mitered angle cuts. So if you're not comfortable making mitered angle cuts, you can just do butt joints. It will still turn out the same nicely. As I mentioned earlier, if you have any questions about anything at all, please leave that in the comments. I'll respond as quickly as possible. Thank you. For now, I'll just be quiet and let you watch the process. At this point, I want to quickly remind you that all you need is a little bit of faith and some action. If you have a family member or a friend who you think might like this video, please share it with them. Thank you. As you may have noticed, I added some wood filler and sanded those off so the front of the frame looks all smooth without any plywood defects. Now most of the cuts and assembly is done. Now we're going to the XTOOL part of the process where right now I'm showing you how I created the keyhole that will be used to hang the picture frame, which is actually the secret compartment that will be used to hang the whole picture frame to the wall. So I basically did a circle and a rounded edge rectangle that I merged together and then resized that to the normal size of a keyhole hanger. And then I just grabbed a photograph that I had downloaded of Creative Fabrica, and that's what I'm going to score on the front of the picture frame. You can engrave a photograph or picture that you like. I chose this one for this demonstration and it works out just fine. I'm scoring it instead of engraving it so it doesn't take too long. Once that part was completed, I went ahead and assembled the picture frame. And then afterwards, I did the lock-in mechanism to combine the picture frame and the secret compartment of secret storage. And then I cut out the back of the entire piece and glued that onto the back piece. I know that sounds a lot, but you'll see that in just a couple of minutes in the video. From this point, everything is easy to follow through. Let me know again if you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll respond as quickly as possible. At this point, I want to quickly remind you that all you need is a little bit of faith and some action. If you're still watching up to this time, I want to thank you for taking your time to watch the video all throughout. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, feel free to do so. You don't have to click on the notification bell. You can check on the channel whenever you would like to see new videos that I post. But once again, thank you for watching the video. Click on the like button if you like it, and feel free to share it with somebody else whom you think might like the video. Thank you. Until next time, I hope you'll have a tangible experience of God's love today. Take care and God bless. I'll see you in the next video.